Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we are working here on the Ford Fiesta, guys, MK7 generation from 2008 to 2017, including the Ford Fiesta ST. So that whole car, guys, will be taken apart, the whole thing. We have probably close to 200 videos, maybe even more than that. So make sure you subscribe. We'll have everything probably that you need. We are rebuilding that 2014 Mercedes. Check out the video on the channel. We got it from a car auction for a great deal and where we got it from. So in today's video, what we're going to do, okay, let me get in the car. We're going to show you how to remove and replace that trim right here, okay, that plastic trim around the climate control. I know some of you want to remove it to paint them, to change the cover, so if you need to do that, we'll definitely show you how to do it pretty quick. So let's start on it now. All the tools that we'll be using, they will be in the description of the video below, so make sure you check it out. That way, if you need anything, you know how to find it quick. We'll try to list everything that we use. Next you need panel removal tool, okay, and right here you're going to pry a little bit, okay, to get this thing out, and then you need to pull a little bit towards the front, okay, like that. We need to do the same thing on this side, okay, and on this side it's a little bit tighter. One of the sides will be always, okay, a little bit tighter, so let me just grab it quick. So again, the same thing, and you need to go towards the back, okay, like that. You have to be careful not to break anything. Now, with the plastic removal tool, there is a clip here and one clip here. Now you have to be careful, sometimes they will fall off, so you have to hunt for them once you remove the panel. Okay, and you need to start working your way up there. There is two more clips. Now you need to disconnect the wires. Once I disconnect them, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Okay, so these wires, guys, on the bottom side you have a thing that you press down. Okay, right here, press down and pull. So let me show you now where all the clips are. Okay, you can see right here you have two clips, two right here. Okay, ours two are missing right here. So those fell out. And two on top. Even without the middle ones, you can still do it, but usually they'll be down there. And you can reach them by removing the shifter board right here. So that's how you guys remove the panel, that trim panel, if you need to paint it or anything like that. Not very complicated procedure. If you need to disconnect it, okay, you can pry it right here, and you can remove the plastic trim out of the other one as well. So not very complicated procedure there. Thank you guys for watching. You put everything together in reverse order with took it apart. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.